Shine with these body language tricks in the workplace and on romantic dates. If you knew how much your body language plays a role in communicating effectively with people, you might start learning how to use body language today. Body language is one of the most effective ways to communicate with others at work, during lectures or appointments. In fact, the effects of hand movements, facial expressions, and even the tone of voice are far greater than the words we speak. These gestures can better convey our message to the audience. According to psychologists, the effect of body language on human communication is 55%, while the tone of a person's voice is 38% and words are only 7% effective in communicating. What all experts agree on is that body language has a greater impact on human communication. Facial expressions, eye contact with the audience, body movements and tone of voice are the main components of body language that consciously or unconsciously send messages to others. Of course, body language is involuntary in many cases, however, knowing its basic components can help us become more aware of how we treat others. Proper use of these components is very effective in establishing successful communication with others. Body language at work. Our body language at work should be such that we can show our competence, self-confidence and trustworthiness. 1. Face. Smile. The impact of smiling on others, especially employers and co-workers, is enormous. Of course, this smile must be real, because an artificial smile is easily recognized. When you really smile, the muscles of the corners of the mouth, the muscles of the cheeks and the eyebrows go higher. A real smile makes you a more trustworthy person and allows others to communicate with you more easily, so strengthen this skill in yourself. 2. Eyes. When talking to someone, communicate directly with their eyes. The inverted triangle method is one of the best methods for eye contact. In this method, you have to look from one eye to the other and then to the mouth. Of course, this does not mean staring into one's eyes. Try to move your eyes in a way that looks completely natural. 3. Movements. Stand with your hands on your hips. This is one of the states of body language to increase self-confidence. Move your hands in a way that impresses others as you speak. The way you sit is also very important. When sitting, place one foot on the other foot in a way that shows your calmness and self-confidence. 4. Voice. The vibration of the voice simply makes others feel that you are nervous and lack self-confidence. Try to speak in a clear and concise tone of voice to show your self-confidence to others. Body language when dating romance. 1. Face. Very natural but dignified laugh. Laughter can reduce your stress by releasing endorphins. When you laugh, the other person is more likely to communicate with you. Laughter can make you more attractive. 2. Eyes. Widen your eyes slightly. By doing this, you show the other person that you are interested in getting to know him and you will attract his positive reaction. 3. Movements. Lean forward slightly as you speak. It shows your passion and interest. When he speaks, sometimes nod your head in agreement and smile to let him know that you are interested in what he is talking about. 4. Voice. Both men and women love the deep voice of the opposite sex. Of course, this does not mean that you have to have a dry, harsh voice, just try to go a little deeper and speak calmly and confidently. Body language when meeting new people. To build a strong relationship with others and make new friends, you need to be friendly and comfortable and look for common ground. Of course, this does not mean boundless intimacy with anyone. 1. Face. Do not forget to smile. If you want to be friendly with others, the first step is to have a real smile. It's also a good idea to learn attractive smile techniques. 2. Eyes. In addition to strong eye contact, friendly blinks are also a way to have a friendly encounter. Of course, you may think that blinking is more related to romantic relationships, but it can also be used as a sign or a common joke in a friendly relationship. Blinking can make you look more fun and confident. 3. Movements. Many of us try to emulate the behaviors of the people we love. For example, we try to walk like them, or the movements of the arms and the way we stand are similar to them. This sign conveys to others the feeling that we are interested in them. 4. Voice. Your voice should have a friendly melody. This can be done by adjusting the volume and changing the monotony. Speaking in a monotonous voice can easily make others bored.